Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you how to move a proof-approved, ready-to-apply or RTA vinyl job into production. Just go ahead and go to CV Orders, locate the order number folder that you're looking for, work folders, and open the desired product that has been approved. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And it's already sized up, good to go, because that's part of our proofing process. And now this is a multi-layered application, so that means that we're laying down the red and we're laying down the black as separate files. If this was just a regular one color job, all you need to do is just go in, change C to however many of these you're cutting, and export a PDF into the production folder. But since this is two colors, there is a little bit more to the process. So off to the right here, we've got these registration marks. So what we're going to do is we are going to grab one, and we're going to want to have it outside of the artwork. That way it can be trimmed out nicely and it won't show. So we'll go maybe about an inch outside of the artwork. We're going to have one on the right side, and we're going to duplicate it and put one on the left side of the artwork. And we're going to hold down Shift, that way it keeps a nice straight line, makes it easier for registration. And then we are going to grab one more, and we're going to go ahead and put it down towards the middle. It doesn't have to be dead center, but again about the same distance, about a ½ inch outside of the artwork. And now we only use one of these when we copy them. I left 3 on here just to reinforce that we need 3 registration marks at least to make this work properly. So now that we've got our registration marks in here, we need to create 2 files keeping the registration marks and the artwork in the same place. So we're going to do a Shift-O to bring up our artboard tool. Now holding down Alt, we're going to click where the artboard name is, that little blue rectangle up there. Sorry, it's a little difficult single-handedly. Let's see if I can prop this up. Okay, so holding down Alt, we're going to click, now we're holding down Shift, which is going to duplicate our artboard down to here. And so we're going to leave the registration marks alone, but on the first one we're going to ungroup the graphic with Control-Shift-G, and we're going to select the black text and we're going to delete that out. Now on our second artboard, well actually before we move on to the second artboard, now we're going to rename this first one here where it says red black. We're going to go ahead and take black out of that because this is the red file. And we only need one of these, so it's going to be C-1, which stands for cut 1. Okay, so the red file is done. Now onto the black file, we're going to leave our registration marks exactly where they are and the artboard size exactly where it is. We're going to go ahead and ungroup the artwork, and we're going to go ahead and delete out the red artwork. So it should look something like that. Now we're going to go in and rename the artboard, and again, artboards are right there. So this will be C1, and this time we are going to delete red, so that way it says RTA black. That way production knows that this is the black file. So looking at both of them, registration marks are exactly in the same spot. The black is where it would have been on the first file, the red is where it would have been on the first file as well. So now that is all it takes for setup on our end. So we're going to do a Control-Alt-E to export for screens. We're going to turn off our JPEG, just leave the PDFs, make sure we've got both of our artboards selected because we want both of them. Then we're going to go to where it's exporting to, and we're going to change it over into the order number 9223 production files. Select folder, export artboard. Now we have in the production files, we've got both our red and black file. So we're good to go. Now we come over to Core Bridge here, and we're just going to change the status into production. Thanks for watching.